Because there was no liquidity. I'll show you what exactly happened yesterday on Fin Nifty. This is the area, that is the high. So this is the high. Now you see what happens is suddenly, anyways, Fin Nifty liquidity is useless. Look at this, no trading here, just 4 contracts. So this is anyways very poor liquidity. Now let's say there is, for some reason, market decides to go higher. Why? Because Bank Nifty is going higher, Nifty is going higher, so Fin Nifty has to follow. Now you might say, Dean, there is no buying here. Why will the market go higher? The market goes higher because no one is selling. Always remember, there are idiots who believe that market buying takes the market higher. No, lack of liquidity will move the market. Market will seek areas of liquidity. From this point onwards till, let's say, this zone, no one was ready to sell. Very few people, 6 contracts, 4 contracts, these 3 and 1, they are aggressive sellers, and these are all limit sellers. So you can see very little trading volume was ready to trade at these levels until and unless we reach this place. Now let's say someone has sold 100 lots in this consolidation, and suddenly the market goes higher and his stop loss is here, and it starts to trigger. What it sends him? Market buy orders. What it will be matched against? Limit sell orders. Now you can see here how many limit sell orders are there. None until we reach this zone. So unless and until all these 100 contracts are matched, the market will keep moving higher. Now let's say this is one big seller and there are other sellers who put in their stop loss order, let's say 2 seconds after this, and 2 seconds after there is another a few people combined, and there are another 200 lots of stop loss orders. Now these 100, they came early, they are not getting matched, they are not finding matching sellers. So the market is exploring higher, and more stop loss buy orders are coming in, more market buy orders are coming in. What do you think is going to happen? The auction is going to keep exploring higher and higher and higher till it reaches a zone where most of those market buy orders are matched. So if I again take you down to this level, just see how many zeros, all 0, 0, 0 on the left hand side. Right hand side, all limit orders are getting matched, but no aggressive selling is happening until we reach this zone, and then some aggressive selling also starts to happen. Again, this is Fin Nifty, extremely poor liquidity. So let us look at Bank Nifty, what happened at that point in time. This is the Bank Nifty chart, and there are also some zeros. You can see there was a place where no one was ready to trade, and then see the liquidity coming in, huge market sell orders, huge limit sell orders, again some little aggressive selling, but lot of limit selling. So market is exploring higher. Obviously Bank Nifty also volume is very high, more orders, more stop loss orders, some aggressive buyers also joining, trying to take the markets higher. So all that, as long as you don't have the opposite activity matching those orders, the market will keep exploring higher. And if there are not enough orders, then they will not get matched, and you won't see your orders getting filled, and that will keep happening.